Welcome, my dear fifth grade students. I am Mr. Ahmed Magdy, your math teacher, and today we will have the last lesson in the first unit on decimal numbers, which is the lesson of decimal story problems, in which we will solve problems on addition and subtraction for decimal numbers. So let's go. The first example here I have Soha saved 17.25 pounds and her brother Amgad saved 8.5 pounds. Find the sum they saved. Okay, so I have here the sum, and that means 17.25 plus 8.5. So I will add two numbers together to find the sum of the two numbers. Okay, so I will say here the sum equals 17.25 plus 8.5. Okay, here I have two decimal digits, and I have here just one digit. Okay, so I will add 10 next to 5, so it will be 50 hundredths. Okay, and I will add the digits together. I have 5 plus 0 equals 5, 2 plus 5 equals 7, and I will put the decimal point. Next, I have 17 plus 8 equals 25. So the sum of the two numbers will be 25 and 75 hundredths. So the sum of what they saved is 25.75 pounds. Okay, and this is the first example. Next, I have Wael has 14.75 pounds and his sister Mariam has 950 piasters. Find the difference between what they have in pounds. Listen carefully here. Wael has 14.75 pounds, so the first unit here is pounds. And his sister Mariam has 950 piaster, and this is a different unit. So I will change or convert one unit to the other one. But here I want the difference in pounds, so I will convert piaster to pounds. First, I have 1 pound equals 100 piaster. Okay, so if I want to change or convert piaster to pounds, I will divide the number over 100. So 950 piaster equals, I will divide here over 100, so it will be 9.5. But why? Because I have here the decimal point, so I will move the decimal point 2 moves to the left, so it will be between 9 and 5. Okay, so Mariam now has 9.5 pounds. Okay, next I wanted to find the difference between what they have. So the difference means I will subtract the big number minus the small number. Okay, so I will say the difference here equals the big number first, 14.75, minus the small number 9.5. Okay, so I have here two digits and I have here one digit, so I will add 10 here, so it will be 14.75 minus 9.50. So 5 minus 0 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. And I will put the decimal point, and 14 minus 9 equals 5. So the difference between what they have is 5.25 pounds. Okay. Next, I have Walid bought a pair of trousers for 89.6 pounds and a shirt for 30.75 pounds. If he gave 200 pounds to the shopkeeper, how much change remained with Walid? So I want to find the total of what he pays, and after that I will subtract the total here from 200 pounds. So first I will find the total that what he pays for the trousers and the shirt. Okay, so the big number here, or I have addition, so it doesn't care about the first number or the second number. So I will say 89.6 plus 30.75. Here I have one digit and here I have two digits, so I will add 1 0 here next to 6. So 0 plus 5 equals 5. 6 plus 7 equals 13, so I will put 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10, so I will put the decimal point first and I will add 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 100 equals 11, so it will be 110.35 pounds. Okay, but I want to know how much change remained with Walid. So I will say change equals, he gave 200 pounds to the shopkeeper. So I will put 200 pounds first and I will subtract 110 and 35 hundredths. First, I will add 2 zeros after the decimal point here. So let me first delete all of this to have more area. Here I will put 1 0 and one more 0, and I will say minus 110.35. Okay, so here 0 minus 5, it can't be, so I will borrow from next digit. So I have here 2, it will become 1, and 0 becomes 9, 0 becomes 9, 0 becomes 9, and here 0 becomes 10. Okay, so 10 minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 3 equals 6, and I will put the decimal point. Next I have 9 minus 0 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8, and 1 minus 1 equals 0, so the change will be 89.65 pounds. So Walid will have 89 pounds and 65 hundredths. Okay, next he says Ola saved 23.75 pounds and her sister saved 57.35 pounds. Find the total with them. Okay, so I want to find the total, so I will add the two numbers. So I will say total equals, the first number is 23.75 plus 57 0.34. Here I have 2 digits and 2 digits, so I will not add any zeros. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I will carry up 1 and I will put the decimal point. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. So I will put 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So the total will be 81.09 pounds. Okay. Next, I have Salma has 90.5 pounds and she bought a toy for 64.75 pounds. How much money is remaining with Salma? So if I wanted to find the money which remaining with Salma, I will subtract what she has first minus what she paid for the toy. Okay, so I will say what, or maybe I will say remaining or change equals 90.5 minus 64.75. So I have here 1 digit and here I have 2 digits. So I will say, I will put 1 0 here. So 0 minus 5, it can't be. So I will borrow from 5. It will be 4 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 4 minus 7, it can't be. So I will borrow from 9. It will be 8 and 0 becomes 9 and 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 equals 7 and I will put the decimal point. Next I have 9 minus 4 equals 5 and 8 minus 6 equals 2. So which remaining is 25.75 pounds. Okay. Next, I have here Mona had 78.4 pounds and she spent 52.74 pounds. Find the remainder with her. Okay, so I will say remainder equals the big number minus the small number. Okay, so I will have 78.4 minus 52.74. Here I have 1 digit and here I have 2 digits, so I put 1 0. So 0 minus 4 it can't be, so I will borrow from 4. Okay, it will become 3 and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. 3 minus 7 it can't be, so I will borrow from 8 becomes 7 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 equals 6 and I will put the decimal point. Next I have 7 minus 2 equals 5 and 7 minus 5 equals 2, so the remainder is 25.66 pounds. Okay, next, a merchant has 38.5 meters of clothes and sold 15.5 meters of it. How much does he have left? Okay, what he have left means I will subtract the big number minus the small number. Okay, so I will say what he have left equals the big number 38.5 minus the small number 15.5. Okay, so 5 minus 5 equals 0. 8 minus 5 equals 3, and 3 minus 2 equals 3 minus 1 equals 2, so it will be 23.0 meters, or maybe I will say 23 meters. Okay, next I have these examples. The first one here, Paris bought 9.8 kilograms of apples, 4.6 kilograms of fig. Find the total weight of apple and fig together. Okay, so I will say if I want to have the total, I will add the two numbers together. So the total here equals the first number 9.8 plus the second number 4.6. So 8 plus 6 equals 14, and I will carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So the total mass here, or the total weight, is 14.4 kilogram. Okay, next, the full tank in the car was filled with 35 liters of gasoline, and at the end of the day 15.5 liters of fuel remained in the tank. Okay, how much fuel did the car consume for the day in liters? Listen here, I wanted to find the result in liters, and the first number is in liters and the second number is in liters, so I will not change any units. Okay, so I will say the remainder here because I want to find what the car consumes in for that day. Okay, so I will say maybe what car consumed. Okay, so I will say the big number here is 35 minus the small number here is 15.5. So the first number here, I don't have any decimal digits, and here I have only one decimal digit, so I will put the decimal point and just 1 0 here. So 0 minus 5, it can be, so I will borrow from 5, it will become 4. Okay, so here I have 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Next I will have the decimal point. 4 minus 5 can't be, so I will borrow from 3, becomes 2, and 14 becomes 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 equals 9, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So what car consumes in for the day will be 19.5 liters. Okay, next I have Hatem climbed 5.6 meters and Nagy climbed 2.9 meters. What is the difference between them? Okay, so if I wanted to find the difference, I will subtract the two numbers. So I will say here difference equals the big number 5.6 minus the small number 2.9. So it will be 6 minus 9, it can be, so I will borrow from 5, becomes 4, and 6 becomes 60. 16 minus 9 equals 7. And I'll put the decimal point. Next, I have 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the difference equals 2.7 meters. And with that, we have finished our lesson today. I hope my little brothers and sisters understood today's explanation well and solved a lot of exercise on this lesson. If you have any questions, send them to me in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel to receive all our new videos. So see you soon in a new video and a new lesson. I am Mr. Ahmed Magdy, math teacher, and goodbye.